So how do you make a exploded drawing? Right now you have your assembly, it's all put together, it's all constrained. Now we're going to go into how to do the explosion. What you need to do is go like you're going to make a new drawing, and instead of picking any of the ones that you've used before, such as a standard part or an assembly or a drawing, you're going to go down here to presentation, and you're going to select presentation, and you're going to open it up. And so you're going to make a new presentation, and it'll take a second or two to load, or it's Inventor, it will take an impossibly long time to load. But the next thing you're going to do is hit create view. So click create view. It's going to probably, if you have just an assembly open, it's going to automatically fill that out, but if you need to, you can change it. But you can see that it has our jack screw assembly already there. If you want to, and I'm not going to do it, well, I guess I can. You can set it to auto explode. You can say do it one level and about a distance of 1 inch, and you hit OK, and you'll see that it is exploded. It's moved it all 1 inch. But I want to have a little bit more control over that, so I'll back it up and I'll do it again. And so we'll not turn auto explode on, and we'll just bring it in like this. Now what you can do is you go up to tweak components and you click on tweak, and then this will let you select which object you want to move, and then you'll notice you'll have these axes, and this is the axes that you're going to move it in. So if you click one of the axes and drag, you can drag it up, and you'll notice here that I just drug that up. If I want to add an entire part and have it moved too, I can just click it, and then when I'm done and I'm happy with that, I'll just hit the checkbox. Now I want to tweak this one, so again I'm still doing tweak, or I'm not. There we go. Hit tweak, hit the object. You'll see my axis comes up differently. It depends on the part and how it's oriented. I'm going to click this, drag it out, and hit done. So there's my 3 parts that they're now exploded. Now, how do we get that into our assembly? So all you have to do, go to your assembly. You got to find it. There it is. And you're just going to add in a base view. All right, just like you're going to start from scratch here. But I already have this in here, and that's fine. I'll make myself some room. All right, so hit base, and it's going to automatically, if that's the last thing you've been into, it's going to automatically try to find out what you think, or what it thinks you're trying to use. But what you can do is you can go and pick. How's the best way to describe this? You can pick the different ones. So here is the base that I happen to have open. Here's the assembly that I happen to have open. And then here is the exploded one that I happen to have open. You'll notice when I change between this assembly, you see how this is a default view, and then I change to this, it actually says the word explosion. That's how you know you're in the proper one. I'm going to say, just like you can change any other view, I'll hit home, and then that will rotate it, and you will see that it is there. And so I don't have it saved yet, so I'll say OK, and I'll go ahead and save that. Now, this is important. You want to save the changes to all the other parts that are underneath. If you don't, sometimes it messes up. Your parts will disappear. Changes are not saved. So be sure to click yes to all. If it asks you, hit OK, and then it will fill in with a little bit of a wait. It will fill in your exploded view. All right, so I hope this helps you guys with 7.5. Enjoy.